Hello, welcome to Absolute ERP. In today's video, we will show you how to create bill against of GRN. This is Manage Purchase Order page. Consequently, by using this page, you can create bill against of GRN by simply click on this tab. In addition, select your GRN and click Create Bill tab. This is Add New Bill page. From here, we can simply add our created bill. Along with our software, already fetch all the details from GRN and reflect them in this bill. You just need to consider few more things, like you can change an address of your supplier by clicking on Change button. Consider bill number, which one you get from supplier. After that, mention bill date and due date of your bill. If you want to attach bill, which one you received from supplier, so click Choose File option after upload it. Apart from that, you can attach any 5 files, like purchase order, etc. Mention notes into your bill. Finally, click Save button, and your bill has been created against of GRN. This is Manage Bills page. From here, you can see and manage your created bills. This is a specific bill, which one we created against of GRN. You just need to click on this tab. Now, your bill is appearing with all the details, as we mentioned, while we creating it. Consequently, you can manage your bill by using above options. If you want to know how to record payment and add post-dated check, please see our bills video, because we briefly demonstrated there about how to manage bill. Now, let's put a glance on your GRN, which one we used to create your bill. You just need to click there. Next, click GRN number. As you see, your GRN is appearing, and from here, you able to edit it. Simply create it as a PDF. You can print your GRN, and you able to print it on letterhead also. In this video, we demonstrated you how to create bill against of GRN. In include, we showed you created bill and GRN, which one we used to create our bill. If you want to know more about Absolute ERP, please see our other videos. Thanks for watching.